Hello friends! Welcome to my YouTube channel, Amazon Electronics, where you get guided reviews and insights on the best electronics products. Today we're reviewing the OtterBox iPhone 15 Pro Max only Commuter Series Case in black. Are you looking for a case that offers a perfect blend of style, protection, and convenience for your iPhone 15 Pro Max? Look no further than the OtterBox Commuter Series Case. Precision engineered for the iPhone 15 Pro Max, this case ensures a flawless fit. The rugged multi-layer defense includes a rigid shell and an internal rubber layer, exceeding 3x military drop standards. Made from over 35% recycled plastic, this eco-conscious case combines resilience with sustainability, offering secure and streamlined protection. It's wireless charging compatible, maintaining a pocket-friendly profile that offers protection and ease for your on-the-go lifestyle. With OtterBox, you're not just buying a case, you're investing in peace of mind with our limited lifetime warranty. If you're interested in this excellent product, you'll find the purchase link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews.